Are you someone who needs to make extra money from home and you're afraid of how you're going to pay the bills? Well, then this video is for you. My name's Karen, and in this video, you'll get 10 websites that you can make extra money from home and you can get paid weekly. All of these websites are legitimate. I checked them out, and most of them pay via PayPal. But make sure you stick around till the end, because one of these websites might be exactly what you're looking for to bring in that extra money and make your life easier. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first website I want to talk to you about is rev.com. If we go over to this site, you can see that you can get paid weekly via PayPal, and you can be a transcriptionist or you can be a captioner. Captioner is what I want to talk to you about, because 80% of people watch video without the sound on. So being a captioner is where you type out what's being said in the video, and that shows up at the bottom as words, so you don't actually have to be listening to the video. So this is in very high demand. Not only can you make this money through Rev, I want to share with you how you can make even more money. You can go over to YouTube and just type in something like "make money online," and we're going to look for big channels that don't have on their videos. So if we scroll down here, we'll click here on Franklin Hatchett, and he has a very affiliate marketing here, but you can easily tell if they have captions on their videos. He does not, at least this one. And so what you can do is just click on the About section, and he doesn't have an email address, but a lot of these big channels will say for business inquiries, and then they'll have an email address. And I would just go ahead and email a lot of different marketers and see how many of them will hire you to do captions for their videos. And I'm going to share with you a software that's going to take you hardly any work to do this. So you could offer them at least what you would get paid on Rev for $1.10 per video minute. So if their video is, so just multiply $1.10 times 11 minutes or 20 minutes. So you could get paid over $20 per video. But let me share with you how it's real easy to do this and it won't take you much time. It's a software called Subtitle. I use this. It's a software called Subtitle, and all you need to do is take the video and add it into Subtitle, and it'll automatically type out what is being said. Now, it's not always 100%, but it's very, very close to that. You do have to go back and make sure what is being typed out is what was actually being said. So for example, this video here, all I would do is just add my video, add new video here, and just find it on your computer. So if you're going to be doing this for someone, you would just get the raw file of their video and put it into Subtitle. And what happens then is Subtitle just types out exactly what is being said. And like I said, it's mostly accurate, but what you'll have to do after that is just listen to the video, and you could put it on like 2 times the speed, and just make sure everything that is typed out is what is being said, and then you just download it, and then you'll get that file to whoever it is that's hiring you to do their videos. So if you go to someone's channel that doesn't have any subtitles, obviously it'd be the new videos that they come out with, then you can make some really good money, because they're going to be longer videos, they're going to be doing them frequently. So that's a great way that you can make some money from home. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation that's allowed me to make commissions like this, I'm going to leave a link up above. Go ahead and click on it, and you can check it out if you'd like. Second website is called TaskRabbit. And if we go here, you can see that you can be your own boss and work whenever you want. So you're going to offer your services in over 50 categories inside a flexible schedule. So if you have a skill that you can offer, then you can list your services on this website. And you can see that there's a lot of different categories, like they said 50 of them: running errands for people, being personal assistant, putting together furniture, doing heavy lifting, pet sitting, plumbing, sewing, all kinds of things that people need done. So they just match you up with whoever needs that particular task done. Waiting in line, that's kind of interesting. So then you'll get paid 100% of what you charge, and also tips. Great way to put any skills that you have to work to make extra money from home. Third website is GMR Transcription. If we go over here, you can see that Transcriptionists are earning anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on your skills. So of course, the more accurate and fast that you type, the more money that you'll make. So you can check this out. Also, I do want to mention that I do have a video just about transcription work. It is probably one of the most popular videos on my channel. I will post that in the description below the video. Transcription jobs that pay $950 weekly. And there's all kinds of jobs that you can get through these websites that I mentioned in this video. Number 4 is Call Center QA. And with this website, you become a telephone mystery shopper. So companies want to know the customer experience, so you're just becoming a mystery shopper. And you do need to be at least 18 years old, but they don't require a background check. And you'll get paid $5 to complete a telephone mystery shop, along with a brief online feedback that you give them, which is about a page long. And so the whole task will take you about 10 minutes, and you'll get paid $5 for that. Number 5 is ClickWorker, and this website allows you to do certain micro tasks like create or correct text, participate in surveys, or just categorize data. So it's an app, and you're going to do any kind of jobs like from text creation, copy editing, research, proofreading, surveys, photo capturing. I thought this was interesting too. You can do short audio clips on your smartphone that they need, or you can do short videos and be able to get paid for that. So definitely check out ClickWorker. Number 6 is Cambly. With this website, you get paid to chat with people from around the world that want to learn English and be proficient in the English language. So you're going to be tutoring people, but basically just getting on and chatting with them. You can make $10, $20 an hour, and then with Cambly Kids you can make up to $12 an hour, and you do get paid via PayPal every Monday. And so these students are all over the globe and they just want to learn English. And you can set your own hours and work as little or as much as you want, and there's no minimum hours. Number 7 is to become a lime juicer, and what you do with that is you make money charging scooters, and you have to see if it's available in your city. But you set your own schedule, and basically you find these scooters and you take them home and you charge them, and then you return them. And the amount of money that you can get paid is $5 per scooter, usually up to $12 per scooter. So if you do, say, 10, so if you do maybe 10 on a weekend night, you could get anywhere from $50 to $100 a night just by picking up and charging scooters. Number 8 is Text Broker. And this is a website where you can write content. You just go here and click on I write content, and they're going to have you write your article showing your writing skills. And it just depends on how many stars they rate your writing as to how much you'll get paid. So if we scroll down here, you can see you get paid anywhere from 7 cents a word to 5 cents a word if you're a 5-star writer. And of course, the more you write, the better you'll get. But they do have this calculator here, so if you had, let's say, 5 stars and you wrote 1,000 words, you would get paid $50 and on up from there. So if you do enjoy writing, I recommend taking a look at Text Broker because they've been around for a long time and it's a very reputable site. Number 9 is NiceTalk.com, and this is another site where you can become a tutor and be able to talk with students around the world, set your own schedule. And this one pays around $10 per hour, and you can go through the frequently asked questions here, but you do get paid via PayPal. And then you just click here to register and follow the instructions to get signed up to be a tutor. And number 10 is Chegg.com. And this is going to allow you to become a tutor as well. And their top tutors can earn $1,000 or more a month, starting at $20 per hour. And with this one, same thing, you can set your own hours. They'll send students to you. So if you have certain subjects that you know well, this is a great way that you can make extra money by helping out students online. So I hope you go out there and make some really good money with these websites. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. 9 ways to make $800 per week with no job. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.